Are you looking for a roofing company in Bradenton, Florida? Look no further than Ideal Home Solutions. Over the last few months, we've seen a record number of storms hit Bradenton, Florida, and the surrounding areas. If your roof has been damaged by the most recent storm, you may qualify for a full roof replacement. Click the link below this video to see if you qualify for a full roof replacement or just a repair. Schedule your free roof inspection today. Have you been on the phone with your insurance company trying to get them to give you more money to cover all your roof damage costs? Is your insurance company pretending that you only need a minor repair? That's only because they don't want to pay you for the full roof replacement. You're not wrong in thinking that you may need a full roof replacement. Homeowners all over Bradenton are struggling to get their insurance companies to pay the total amount for a full roof replacement, even though they clearly need one. That's where we step in. We deal directly with your insurance company so you get all the repair or replacement costs covered in full. No funny business, no games, we fight for you. Did you know that if you have different colored shingles on your roof, you may qualify for a full roof replacement? Was your roof recently hit with hail? Are you missing shingles on your roof? Can you see shingles lifting up? You may need a complete roof replacement and not just a repair. Don't wait until the next storm to find a roofer to get on your roof. Immediately after a storm, you will not be able to find a roofer because they're on other people's roofs. Click the link below this video to schedule your free roof inspection and get the roof you deserve.